In this video, we are going to learn how to design this flower vase by using revolve, sweep, circular pattern, fillet, shell and flex tool. So let's start. First we'll take front plane, click on sketch icon. I'll define one center line. Now we'll just take a sketch and draw one more line here. While defining the distances, press D as a shortcut. Taking this to be 500. Defining this to 120. Defining this to 50. Now we'll take spline tool and we'll make one curvature to close this. We'll adjust a little bit that curvatures. Now exit, we are going to revolve this. Do OK. Let's change the appearance. We'll go to edit appearance. And here we'll take appearance tool. I'm just assigning cyan color and do OK. Now we'll take front plane and taking convert entity tool and we'll converting this edge, outer edge, into a sketch. Exit. Now we'll take sweep tool. Select here circular profile. Select the path and defining 40 diameter. And we'll go to options. So we want to make this faces to straight both sides. We'll take align with faces and do OK. Now we'll select the sweep part and go to circular pattern. We'll select the circular face for the reference purpose. Defining 12 number of items and do OK. Now I'm going to use some fillet tool. I'll take fillet. Selecting one edge. And we'll get option here. We'll select this connected to start faces. 23 edges will be selected. Defining 10 radius and do OK. Now I'll take fillet. Selecting the bottom face. Taking 10 radius. Now let's take fillet. Now we'll select this upper face and defining a radius value of 5. Do OK. Now I'm going to make it shell. So we'll take a shell tool, defining thickness of 5 mm, selecting this face, do OK. Now this body becomes shell from inside. Now we'll take flex command by pressing shortcut key S. We'll type here flex, enter. So in flex we want to do twisting. We'll select the twisting. Now here we'll select the upper face. So here I want to keep that upper plane to be fixed and lower will be twist. So now here we'll define 90-degree angle and do OK. So this is how we have designed this twisted flower vase. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.